Here's how to change the music length on your Instagram posts quickly and easily. First, open the Instagram app and tap the plus icon on the left side to create a new post. Now, choose a photo or video you want to upload, then tap Next, and again tap on Next. On the editing screen, tap Add Music and select any song you want to use. Oh, Instagram will automatically suggest trending songs or audio that match your content. Once you select the song, look for the music duration option, usually showing something like 30 seconds. Tap on it, and now you can adjust the music length. Depending on the post type, you can shorten it to a few seconds or extend it up to around 90 seconds. You can also drag the slider to choose the exact part of the song you want to play in your post. After adjusting everything, tap Done. Then tap on Share, then finish posting your content normally. Now your Instagram photo or video will play with the custom music length you selected. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tutorials.